Welcome to this comprehensive review of Buddi, a free and open source personal finance application designed for those looking to take control of their finances without needing advanced technical skills. In this video, I'll guide you through everything from downloading and installing Buddi to utilizing its core features to effectively manage your budget and track expenses. Buddi is particularly appealing because it's user-friendly and lightweight, making it accessible even for individuals who are tech-savvy. Let's start with the setup process. Buddi is available for various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux. Simply visit the official Buddi website, download the installation file, and follow the straightforward setup instructions. Once installed, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your accounts, budget categories, and recent transactions. One of Buddi's standout features is its ability to categorize your income and expenses. You can easily create custom budget categories tailored to your financial goals. For instance, you might have categories for rent, groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Buddi allows you to set monthly limits for each category, helping you stay within your budget. As you input transactions, Buddi automatically abates your spending, giving you real-time insights into your financial health. Another valuable feature is the report section, where you can generate detailed summaries of your spending habits over time. This is especially helpful for identifying areas where you might be overspending and adjusting your budget accordingly. Buddi also supports multiple accounts, so you can manage your savings, checking, and credit card accounts in one place. Although Buddi is a basic tool without advanced integrations like bank syncing, its simplicity is one of its biggest strengths. It provides a distraction-free way to focus on your financial habits and planning. Moreover, because it's open source, you can trust that your data remains private and secure on your local device. If you're someone who's just starting with budgeting or prefers a no-frills approach to managing your money, Buddi is an excellent choice. Throughout this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a budget, log transactions, and generate reports to track your financial progress. Thank you for watching this in-depth review of the Buddi Personal Finance app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more reviews and tutorials on budgeting and financial management tools. See you in the next video.